25th April 2026. Welcome our friends in the Dharma. You got very good concentration the whole day, but lost in thought because your mind go out. Today you can develop right concentration, better concentration by your eye look at your children, but your heart with yourself. Your heart stay knowing yourself, knowing how you sitting, how you breathing. And first you stay knowing all together. But when you do meditation, you stay knowing one object on your breathing. We call stay focused. But anyhow, stay focused, your breathing knowingly. Knowingly, that means from clear knowing. Knowingly, don't try. See, just see. Hear, just hear. Know, just know. No self in the practice. Okay. Now, this technique will help you practice meditation all day. You drive, stay focused on your driving. Okay? You work, stay focused on your working. But if you not work, not drive, stay focused on your breathing. Okay? Stay focused, then you got stream entry. I try to learn the meaning of focus and stay focused. You can search in ChatGPT. They will explain to you. Now ChatGPT is my teacher. How to use the word. When I tell you focus, your breathing, I focus from here, but you focus from here. So then I have to correct my English. Stay focused your breathing, but your eye look at me, look at your job. But if you work, stay focused on your working. Look at your job, stay focused on your working. Okay? But if you not work, stay focused on your breathing. Knowingly, consciously. Your eye can look around, but your mind not go around. Okay? Your eye look around, but your mind look inwards on your breathing. That's all. Very simple. Stay focused. Right concentration is turn inwards by stay focused, body, sensation, mind, and my object. Normally you practice concentration on body, you have to close your eye and just use your brain to point on your body, point on your sensation. That is okay for the beginning, but now we just notice, stay focused on your breathing, notice. Notice, you can notice continuously the whole breathing. Stay focused on your breathing in, notice. Notice it from here. But when you notice here, observe how you doing. Okay? Notice inwards. Observe surrounding, observe this surrounding, observe my teaching, okay? But notice your breathing. Observe, listen and observe my guidance, but notice your breathing. Observe is from mind without thought, okay? When you observe, you got mind without thought, we call mindfulness. When you got mindfulness, then easy to turn inwards by stay focused. Your breathing in, knowingly, knowingly. Your eye become eye. Your heart become eye. Dhamma eye. And now more Dhamma eye opening up, more full awareness of body. Sit upright. Okay. And now just stay focused on your breathing and more full awareness of body, full awareness on your face with smiling up, look up, awareness up, and whole body lift up. So when you wake up the whole body, knowing it come from your heart. Okay? But if you not sit upright, knowing come from your thought, your brain. Sit upright, very important. Open your eye again. Look up, smiling up, awareness up, wake up, stay focused. You can stay focused on the four foundation, on body, sensation, okay, mental quality, and all other phenomena. But on the four foundation, we must stay focused on the body foundation first to practice. Body foundation, if you got thought, so busy and come and sit, got thought, stay focused on your breathing, on your body and breathing together. Body foundation is body and breathing. And take maybe 2-3 minutes, no thought or less thought, then you can stay focused more on your breathing, but awareness of sitting upright together. Awareness of sitting upright with full awareness, very important. If you usually you focus your breathing and you disappear, your body disappear, not good. Okay? That means maybe you fall asleep. But if your breathing not disappear, that's okay. More people, body disappear, breathing disappear, that means he fall asleep. Okay. But you know, if you just stay focused, continuously, constantly, your breathing, like the Buddha, stay focused on the full moon day, Vesak day. More stay focused, subtle, soft, subtle breathing, more clarify mind, more clear mind, seeing things as they are, seeing body into four elements, into five aggregate, more your mind calm until no thought, then stay focused until it calm and no thought, then it become Dhamma eye, seeing clearly not only body but seeing four elements of body and seeing arising, disappearing, and seeing suffering of body as well. Body got so suffering. You tired or not? Yeah, tired. Okay. But when you see suffering of body, why you tired? You tired is in your heart, is sensation. You can see, oh, I'm tired. That means that is the cause of suffering. Body work hard, but tired on the body, not tired in your mind. Can you? You need a refuge. Your heart needs a refuge. That is your breathing. Always stay focused on your breathing. No cause of suffering. No cause of suffering. Okay. That you fulfillment the Four Noble Truth. You see the cessation and the way to cease suffering. Okay. stay focused. Today we practice here only, and open eye first, because when you close your eye, you always practice here. Focus. Focus, you got thought, you got cell, you have to fight with thought. Stay focused, no thought. Okay? Stay focused, how you being, how you sitting, body foundation first. Stay focused, when you open eye, if you still got thought, stay focused the whole body and breathing. Breathing is also a part of body, okay? Stay focused. And then it becomes one-pointedness of mind and equality of mind and more jhana from equality of mind. Stay focused. Already here. And then it's the way open more inward. You got knowing within, seeing within. Stay focused on your body and breathing until less and less thought. Then stay focused more on your breathing, but still awareness of body, upright sitting posture. Very important. With upright sitting posture, awareness, you got power of awareness. Okay? Sometimes people tell you, don't worry about the body, just sit. Don't worry. No, you have to maintain awareness of body. Okay? More you can maintain awareness of body, then you can go deep into meditative state. Maintain body sitting upright more and more. So now we practice to maintain by opening eye first. Because more you maintain awareness, it got the knower. Okay? It got the knower, wake up more. And until you got the knower, wake up, then the knower wake up. The knower wake up when got contact, sensory door contact. Eye contact, knower wake up. And then ear contact, knower from eye contact disappear. Happen to knower on ear contact. Ear contact, knower wake up. And then it disappear, eye contact, knower wake up. But now, we close our eye. We only got contact on our body, on your breathing. When you can feel, knower, you can rely the observer. There is an observer. You got or not? Okay? There is observer. So that's why see object of knowing, see the knower or observer together. The knower come on the contact, eye contact, knower wake up, ear contact, knower wake up, and tongue contact, knower wake up. Okay? And body contact and mind contact, eye, ear, nose contact, tongue contact, body contact, mind contact. You got thought, knower wake up. So normally you got thought, knower disappear. So the first step, you got good concentration. Concentration on the object, then knower wake up. On the object, knower wake up. Then you need to stay at home. If you not stay at home, you got eye contact, knower gone already. No knower. In samatha meditation, we develop knower first. But more, you can rely knower also anicca. First, you realize eye contact, ear contact, anicca, arising, disappearing. You become on the stream entry to Sodaban. And more, next step, you see the knower, also anicca. It arising, disappearing. Okay? Then you got more attainment to higher level. Okay? Until you got Arahant, no knower. Okay? no knower. Because the knower is like the true self. You still got perception inside. Okay? Wake up the true self inside, the knower. But when you just contemplate the knower, the true self is also anicca. It got wake up when you got eye contact. It got wake up when you got ear contact. It got wake up when you tongue contact, nose contact, body contact, mouth contact. No knower. Okay? That means along the way we develop knower. Knower is like your mind, attention, got self in the practice, but in this kind of self, it's not selfish. It only pure self. Okay. But when you reach the destination, you don't need self to enlighten together. Self bring you to enlighten, then self disappear. Okay. So then don't try to destroy the knower. Okay. Just develop knower until it got knowledge, more wisdom than no self. Okay. So in the practice we develop knower. Okay. And the knower, that is wake up. That means there is the inner self inside, bring you to the next life. Okay. So Arahant, no inner self, no inner body, no astral body. The knower, that means you got astral body, inner body, got self to choose where to rebirth in the next life. But Arahant, knower become wisdom, no more, no choose to rebirth again. Okay. So in the beginning, on the path, you still need to develop knower with consciousness, mindfulness consciousness, until it fulfill of wisdom. Then don't worry, it become knowledge. Okay. Now it become ignorant. Knower because you got ignorant. Okay, ignorant on your eye, ignorant on your ear. Okay, but now it got wake up. We put more mindfulness, less ignorant. Okay. So now that's why if you got knowing on the body contact, only breathing in your nostril. Can you feel? And you stay focused, attention. Every moment of breathing contact in your nostril, attention. Knower, wake up. Okay. And this knower, you need to train the knower to wake up. With every moment, it wake up. Every moment, it become clear knower. Okay. So see the knower. So this session, see the knower together. But if I not tell you the knower wake up or happening when you got eye contact, ear contact, nose contact, tongue contact, body contact, mind contact, then you not realize even in your nostril in the body contact. Can you feel? Feel mindfully, knowingly, knower wake up. More you feel mindfully, knowing, you can see knower together. And if you stay focused, more attention. Wow, knower very strong, very powerful. Okay, and powerful to wake up. You can realize the knower. Every breath and breathing inside the nostril, sometimes touching inside this area of nose, in front, inside. Can you realize each contact inside or outside the nostril? Attention more. Attention more. Stay focused more. Knower wake up. This level, that means you got knower wake up. You got vipassana jhana, seeing with the knower. So that's why we only First, we practice with stay focused on body because sometimes breathing very subtle. You cannot realize the novel wake up. But when you just practice, stay focused on your now on your walking step. Now step on the touching. Move your hand. Don't look. Your eye with me. If you look, no word, not wake up. Stay focused from your heart. No word, wake up. Okay? No word, wake up. And now, your heartbeat. Stay focused on your heartbeat. The rhythm. No word, wake up. There is an observer. Your heartbeat, then your pulsation. Pulsation of the whole body. No more wake up. Know the knower, see the knower. This is all you need to practice. Samatha. If you see the knower, you got vipassana together. If you not see the knower, you got only samatha, meditation only. So that's why open your eye. Because if you close your eye, you cannot see the knower. Okay? Now open eye. Knowing bodily movement, muscle movement. Knower wake up. Okay? And relax. Knower wake up. And more relax. Relaxation, you got space more and more. Then knower wake up in space, or consciousness wake up in space. When you stay in the dimension of space and consciousness, you free from thought. Okay? So now, just relax the whole body. The whole body, you got space or not? You got space. When you relax, it's more expanding. Then you got calmness. Calmness, that is, you go into space element. But the point is how to wake up in the calmness. In the calmness, you need knowing, contact. Eye contact or ear contact, no, because you now closing your eye or you open eye, you not pay attention with eye or ear. You pay attention on breathing. Breathing contact. Knower wake up. But knower wake up more and more clearly if you stay focused on your breathing every moment. You have to open eye because when you open eye, you guarding. Every moment of breathing go inside, outside, you guarding. But if you close your eye, you just slot and topper, not guarding, okay? You fall asleep, okay? You need more guarding, okay? Like the Buddha say, guarding the entrance. Every breathing, can you realize touching? You not realize touching, you only realize the breath inside. We realize breathing. Breathing, that means it got touching. Who walking in and out, the breath, touching. Can you guarding the touching? A different touching. When you realize the touching, knower wake up. And more attention on the touching of breathing. Because knower wake up on the touching only. Okay? Knower wake up on the touching. Even slow motion, soft, gentle touching. If you mindful, knower wake up. Okay? So today you learn how to wake up the knower by knowing from your heart, knowing from your brain, no knower. Okay, knowing from heart, got knower. So that's why you get used to knowing from your brain, your thought, because you close your eye. So you want to learn new thing, you have to change the way you practice. Open eye only until you can realize the knower. Because we practice to realize the knower. Okay, but you practice to realize the calmness. You don't not realize the knower, then you got sleep in the calmness. But if you realize the knower, you got calmness and wake up in the calmness. Okay, today I teach you more advanced. Only touching, you got touching or not, you're breathing. Touching inside the nostril. Then there is no world. Wake up, wake up. So when you close your eye, I use the word stay conscious, knowing your breathing. Conscious knowing the touching of breathing. Stay conscious, knowing touching of the breathing differently inside the nostril. It not take long time. If you do right thing, if you do wrong, no knower, the whole period, 1 hour, no knower. Only calmness or for asleep, no knower. When you got knower, wake up. In knowing everything arising, disappearing, in knowing moment by moment. Okay? You know the touching of breathing? Every moment, only inside the nostril, guarding the touching. Who step into the gate, step in, step out, step in, step out. Many people, many particle of breathing, touching, like many people walking, step up and touching inside the nostril. Touching the surface of the nostril inside. Can you realize? No will wake up. And now when you know how you do concentration, stay focused from your heart. Otherwise, no knower. Okay? Because you got to your brain, to your office already. In your office got thought, no knower. Your heart got knower. And then nothing. Okay, we Vipassana, they use the word nothing. Can you nothing? Keep nothing, the touching. Okay? Keep nothing. Or noticing. Open eye, but you keep noticing or attention on the touching of the breathing through the surface of nostril. Then no attention on your eye. See, just see, hear, just hear now. Keep more attention on your breathing. Stay focused on your breathing, touching. Even you open eye, 2 minutes, you get very good calmness already. Before you close your eye, maybe half an hour not calm or maybe fall asleep. Now you do the right thing, it cannot come from the starting, even you open eye. So check how you practice right or wrong by opening eye. Closing eye, you cannot check. Okay? Open eye, you can check. Because you still wake up, you can check. Not the touching. It's like breathing got particle touching differently inside the nostril. That's all. So you stay at home, only notice the touching of the surface of your nostril inside. Your breath touching. That is nowhere wake up. Nowhere wake up on the contact, 6 sensory contact, eye contact, ear contact, and this is body contact. That's all. That means you can stay focused every moment of touching. Then it becomes mass of breathing. It becomes nimitta of breathing. Okay? Then you get absorption. More touching, it becomes absorption, become mass of breathing, and become more mass breathing. Okay? No other thing else. Only mass of breathing, more and more, and it got phenomena of breathing. Change form. It got form. Sometimes it got this orbit. Sometimes it got straight orbit. Okay? Sometimes it come this way. Inside, never wake up until you got clear knowing. In your brain become clear knowing, wake up. Wow. Before in your brain got dark. Now in your brain got clear knowing. Stay focused more from your heart. Knowingly, attentively. Guarding the door, the nostril. And notice or noting the touching on the nostril surface inside. It got touching. You know touching, you got nowhere, more wake up. Stay focused from your heart. You got nowhere, and then you can realize the nowhere, see the nowhere. More you know touching, maybe you feel your breathing so cool. It's so cool, okay? When you can realize clearly on the touching or breathing on surface of nostril more and more. It become mass of breathing. It got orbit. It got movement. Then contemplation of orbit or movement of breathing. Stay focused on your breathing with contemplation, how it is. Your heart become more noble, wake up. More contemplation, more noble, wake up in your heart. Wake up from desire, anger, delusion. Stay focused from your heart, then to help your heart wake up from desire, anger, and delusion, or ignorance. Know the knower together. Knower every moment wake up. Okay? Until it got more power of wake up from ignorance. That all we need to practice the knower wake up from all ignorance. Ignorance from the past and future by knowing the present moment only. This is the present moment. Can you know the present moment inside the nostril? Enough, good enough. And you can let go the perception attached to the past and the future. No perception at all. No attachment. Only you just more mindfulness. Every moment of touching. It touching, sometimes it touching more on the left nostril, more on the right nostril, or maybe equal. Okay? That's all. Wake up. No more wake up. And now you can close your eye because you know how to develop. Stay focused, the right concentration on the touching, body contact, the breath contact. Not focus the breath, but stay focused where the breath touching. In the primary level, we focus the breath. Intermediate level, we focus the breathing. But advanced level, we stay focused on the touching of the breathing inside the nostril. Very gently, knowing the touching is instantly and gently. Stay focused on the touching of breathing inside the nostril. With contemplation, how how it how it works, how it moves, or contemplation very subtle into mass of breathing or particle of breathing. Even you open eye again, which one you can see clearly? Open eye can see clearly. Okay? Because open eye, you got eye contact. Eye contact, you get nowhere. Okay? First, you need eye contact mildly, ear contact mildly, nowhere, nowhere. And then touching or breathing mildly, nowhere. And now just end this session. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
So, after we are going for the liberation of the fish.